What I say? Can be both football or anything?
Yeah, definitely can be both. Football, dancehall, anything.
Alright, middle music, so I stick to dancehall. Alkaline are the king for dancehall.
Better than cartel.
Song no emotion, you know, see me I tell you, no? This song is a creeper. You know why I don't see Alkaline song them a fuck with? Because him now sing no regular lyrics. Every artist has the same thing them out of them.
Guyana Carnival is coming, so we're turning the heat all the way up. The greatest dancehall mega concert is back. Magnum Battleration 2026. Live at the Guyana National Stadium on Saturday, May 23rd. Headlining the night, the man himself, Alkaline. When them all pull up themselves, we keep it calm. I feel like we can't conquer the world. Done for every done. Bringing the energy and the anthems. Joining him, classic dancehall superstar, Mr. Vegas. And repping the new wave of music, Mali Dawn. One stage, 3 powerhouse acts, and carnival energy that Guyana has never seen. This is Magnum Battleration. Dancehall meets carnival. Done for every done. If I ever militant.
No boy and no boss for the unruly. Pussy I make talk with the whole fool him.
Yeah, damage music.
Me nah no done na who you man. Boy your life don't cost not even.
Out for Popcaan, you see when you dropping a local chat in the studio, bro, call him dog, cause data boss never did. Remember Alkaline call out the name, Popcaan, microwave, and call you out,
Pussy Popcaan, one word, no say you not Batman. Anyway, me see your pussy, me a bust your face, show you say you can't style one done.
So when Alkaline days Papi, I mean, me and tell you, say me and Papi are close, them me and Papi, and me man call man say, Bobo, what me fi do? Me say, hey. No follow them up, brother. Me I sing some song and just run them from you. And that's so said.
Remember the clash between Popcaan and Alkaline? Remember how it go? Remember some of the song then? You must know the song when you microwave for Alkaline though. My honest opinion on the song yeah, are the baddest in a clash. Yeah man, the song the rub out Papi wicked, rub him right out. Yeah man, mash up.
I go on in a dance hall. Me see unruly fans them run out. I say Popcaan recent song a shades Alkaline tonight. I really go on. Popcaan, it look like you want to turn another microwave 2.0 again now. We see one heap of unruly vloggers run out and say yo Popcaan a diss up Alkaline. I go on. We think say uno a big artist. We think say uno bigger than we or uno dominate the space. So I go on. Microwave, you know, microwave, you a beat man and make us know straight. Popcaan, talk straight so Alkaline can bust your look of face, boy. What you talk about? Unruly fans them, what not talk about? Alkaline get this in a pop, me they even know what the song name of Blood Clean. But me did say in a recent vlog say is either I'm at this massacre or Joshy. But unruly fans them I seek some attention. The terms where them love use say drowning man clutching at straws. It look like a them a clutch at straws. Make me tell you this. Make me tell you this from now. You see 2026 a our year. 2026 a vendetta year. So all of the little squabbles them want to have Alkaline now pay on no mind. Him now putting upon the practice because uno not brave, uno weak out, uno not bad like that. So all you not chatting on the songs. Papi, hold your corner, Popcaan. We see say you want to get back in an algorithm. You want your name start get a little highlight or a little forward. So you send little shades in your song. But we all know say you're not built for this, Popcaan. You're not built for this. So viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's the boss Nando and I building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So we have some things for highlight as it pertains to the man himself. So far in a dancehall 2026, it look like all attention, all eyes is on him for 2026 viewers and subscribers. We saw where the man himself has been booked for another show. This one, and right now, this one is in Guyana National Stadium, viewers and subscribers, and he will be headlining that event alongside with Malidan and Mr. Vegas. I don't know why Mr. Vegas depend it. Mother thinks that the young fans them want to see the young artists them, but me understand say at the all and the new music mix in a one. So the fans them of Mr. Vegas era, them are go there, them are go come out for show up and give them support. But we also have the new fans them we are go tune in for Alkaline and Malidan. So viewers and subscribers, we have some things to show you, some videos for highlight with some people. I talk about Alkaline saying that they're predicting that 2026 will be Alkaline year. And I don't know, I always been a say them thing in a multiple vlogs previously, viewers and subscribers. So to see more people that come out and attack it, it's a good look. But viewers and subscribers, other than that, we saw where a lot of people are say Popcaan's recent song a shade Alkaline, and me have to laugh. Me I say to myself, say Popcaan, you know you not built for this, brother. But we understand how the space of dancehall work. But we have to do a little bit of torture also, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that Popcaan look a song we him just do. He must shade Alkaline, which I doubt, but he must say, not man and a Dan theme and no man and a bass theme. I don't know Alkaline have a song with say bass favor bass, Dan favor Dan. So I don't know why all of a sudden now Popcaan are forward out, but we understand how that go. As me always say to you, say Alkaline is like the energizer bunny for dancehall. So his energy, most of the artists them feed our fight. So Popcaan do a little song which him know a lot of people are going to run with for pin him against Alkaline for say, yo, Alkaline am this. Because currently in a 2026, Alkaline is the most talked about artist and Alkaline as the first hit song for the year 2026. So yeah, the whole energy and the whole impact surrounding Alkaline, him being the headliner for Barclays Center New Rules, him being the headliner for Guyana Stadium show, National Stadium, and so much other headline shows. We know have Up to the Line, we know have Dream Weekend. I think so far a 5 show Alkaline have booked so far, and we know more around the corner. So viewers and subscribers, we have some people I share them perspective and them point of view for what them see are going within the space of dancehall and how them think and feel like say, yo, Alkaline I go come out the victorious one for 2026. And also some people are say, yo, Popcaan, if a Alkaline you this, you need to talk straight. So viewers and subscribers, before we get into the vlog, I'm ask you to do me a favor by making sure that you guys like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, make we just kick off the vlog like this. You know how the torture go already, We have to burn a piece of fire, even though the database will highlight the good things them we might do out here in the year of 2026. Because people are always say what them have to say. But if we're not out here for highlight it and talk about it, then nobody else not gonna do it for you. So we they have to highlight the fact that Alkaline are do great so far in 2026. An artist want to leech off him energy. Which artist me I talk about? Popcaan. So viewers and subscribers, listen to what that brother you have to say about what me just reason about in the early part of the vlog. Pre this.
People, me I predict Alkaline to be the artist of the year for 2026. And me I go tell you why. Watch out. Right now, me see Popcaan just drop a song. This song he might drop, you know. Me don't know who he might talk about. See? Me feel like they might go bring back Massacre and some Cascas. Josh, he look like he might go in a Cascas. He look like the whole artist might go be distracted that area. And me feel like Alka I go be the sole beneficiary of all I falling for them going with. Alka go take in a good time and creep around everybody. He might drop a bag of hit song that area. Me I predict it. You see me? So save that video and we're going to talk about it later. But yeah, man. Alka artist of the year for 2026. Everybody are going to be distracted with them little foolish.
Well said, brother. You are so on point with what you say. Well said. But you know it, go viewers and subscribers. Time and time again, Alkaline dominate the space of dancehall. Dominate years and years. And them still never give Alkaline the artist of the year. Even 2016, I say. Alkaline mash up 2016 with hits after hits. But them never give Alkaline the year 2020 of 2016 because you know Vibes Cartel. But the politics in a dancehall it always did it. So in myself, even if I know say Alkaline are the artist of the year, I know them not gonna give it. All even on the social media platforms, them some popular social media platforms or social media bloggers, them same one still not get Alkaline the year. And then fast forward, you hear people say, oh, 2016 was Alkaline best year and this, but Alkaline dominate the space in at the moment, and nobody never give him the year. So we not expect them to give Alkaline the artist of the year, but who no. And where the brothers, viewers and subscribers say right now, most of the artists them are focused on the wrong thing, while Alkaline just focus, tunnel vision, have him eyes on the prize. So Alkaline now pay nobody no mind. So anybody who wants send shots to Alkaline, just know say Alkaline now watch you know. Him now put it upon practice because when him did ready for robot, uno never ready. So we see Popcaan I do him look a thing and look like him want shade either Alkaline or him a shade. Whoever him a shade, but right now Alkaline now focus on them viewers and subscribers.
Now chat, you know me I can't talk about you know. I want to name Popcaan, but you know say me not got this Popcaan. You know why me not got this Popcaan? I tell you why me not got really this Popcaan. Even though he might beat me stick pan in Gaza. Me not got this Popcaan because Popcaan actually do something with his career. He's an international artist. Bigger than even Vibes Prattle in a way, you see it. You believe me? But Popcaan, you see when you not dropping a look chatting on the studio, bro, call name dog, cause data boss never did. Remember Alkaline call out the name in a Popcaan, microwave, and call you out in a microwave in a chops. You never did do that in a straight dog. You use style and go, so okay, my other dog throw Japan and I call the dog name and get it song after that. You can't do that again. Cause the man now made you pussy. So call data name. Wasteman Popcaan, follow back a Popcaan, beat of Popcaan. I love
any artist in a dancehall right now, we're in an Alkaline weight class with credible hits, on top of hits, yeah, just call Alkaline name. But other than that, if you not talk the talk or walk the walk, just not mention Alkaline name. No involve him in a no farmer cat fight because the dog mental space right now, I feel like the dog focus the far ahead. Him now meds them local artists here. As him saying no emotions. A whole heap of things saying no emotions, you know. Enough people now go get to know. But Alkaline clearly states that him now put them on practice. Them a coward. Them not bad. Them not bad. And him also say a key man. Say him and the dancehall key man. Him, anytime when ready, the man will take it to you like Vladimir Putin or Jean Wong. So if you not ready for walk the walk and talk the talk, don't size up. You know remember microwave man? I wonder if you remember microwave. I wonder if microwave himself remember say him get slaughter. And dash over the KNPs. So if the unruly fans them a say Alkaline the man them a this, tell no artists for talk straight no man. Stop go around corner and send shades. If you don't want war, and the me them want war with.
Not nice, you know, she said them a poppy show. You diss me and still I go on the road. Still I go a bar, still I play a domino. Ha 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 ha, ha ha ha. Pussy me no, forget nothing you know. No matter how you feed a long time ago. From blood fi drink, it's a fi drink, you know. But me no like it hot, me rather when it cold. Bet say me make your turn and you lock na your place. You just said if you put a foot out of your gate. You want buy a lot of food and not feel holy faith. Make your feet pants so water lose all heap of weight. You are the scumbag of the earth and it's evident. Take all heap of life and me we do it again. Me ready for whatever if I dead for dead. Send me a jail, me want the experience. You have to remember life no mean nothing to me. So for your little kids to come on to me. Prepare for disaster your life in. You should have followed only billion. Bumble will go and breed. Anyway you take it here with dead set speed. A funeral if you go keep. Run right wise and Korea go eat oh. Bumble will go and breed. Anyway you take it here with dead set speed. A funeral if you go keep. Wanna enjoy your life till me comfy.
Popcaan, go and enjoy your life until Vendetta come feet. Unruly fans, careful. We see one upon the internet, you know. I try clutch at straws, you know. But one look at touch have to go on every now and then. We have to flames them and, you know, calm down them pace where them think them a move. So unruly fans, calm on yourself. Careful. Alkaline, now while you know. Make no artists brave up. Remember say him dead already, you know. So if him want read it again, Jaja God. Me no know who give him power, me no know who give him strength. For him feel like him can respawn over again. Like him think this is a game. But yeah, Alkaline now put Popcaan on practice. Jaja. When you and Alkaline was supposed to be the face of dancehall as it pertains to the clash aspect of dancehall, you boogie out the clash. And now you're sending shades in a song. You know if you're wearing a body dog, you know if you're clash not a soul. Cause we see over the years so you're no clash artist. You get a little clash with Movada and that was it, but you're no clash artist, Popcaan. So yo, done with that dog.
My youth, some of them artists I feel like a chalala thing, you know. I'm telling you something. We have to start pull up on someone. Yeah, hear me? How the badness go? Level. What am I telling you? What's it a lunatics? Hey, after hell.
Boy, Popcaan, me rate you as an artist, but he clash thing left his father. Leave it alone. If a Alkaline you want war, or if a Massacre you want war, left the war thing the charge. We rate you as an artist, but it truth I truth. You know make for war. Yeah, we get a hit song out of war, yes. We can't deny that and you're full of hits and your caliber big. But the war thing I just not for you. Because if you step to Alkaline, you go dead again. And next time, this a time a cartel have to come rescue you. And if cartel come rescue you, this a time a boy king of dancehall have to go put up. You see me, cause either Alkaline or Massacre go take it. But if you rush Massacre, boy, that is a different problem again to blood class. So just left your war thing, Popcaan. Yeah man, the war thing no make for you, cause first of all, Alkaline rub you out already and he will rub you out again. And if cartel jump out this a time and dead again, boy, I don't know.
So viewers, the look of 4'2" Chihuahua run up and down and I make be nice in the YouTube space and them fans them also. I make be nice viewers and subscribers. Jaja God, you see for yourself, the look of 4'2" Chihuahua can't clash nobody. Popcaan is just a little bitch. Him just run around and make be shades and make be nice. And now ready for war and now willing to take a war with an artist. Freed like a puss. Yo, unruly fans, you know say, you are the weakest fans in a dancehall. You know say, you don't have a real sturdy fan base. A Gaza fans you not live off of. Me see the man them all go live on YouTube and not even 200 fans can turn up for tuning to them live. So unruly fans on YouTube and half of YouTube. You need for clutch a whole a corner, whole in a corner. Because a big league this. You see this a league? A big league. Popcaan for just whole in corner one side. You're not clash artist. Done with that little song shading thing there. If a Valiant and them look young artists, they are shade fine because them probably they have a bill feet like that pan a column level as a clash artist. But you see them veteran artists are like Pop, like Alkaline and probably Massacre. Not bother with it, Popcaan. Done with it, youth.
Alkaline song not emotional, you know, see me I tell you, no? This song is a creeper. You know why I don't see Alkaline song them a fuckery? Because him now sing no regular lyrics. Every artist has the same thing them out of their mouth. So it's like, this song them go catchy as then drop because, yeah. Valiant said dunks yesterday on one song and the boss. This time like power going to say about dunks again. So if I'm hear about dunks, really, then give this song a vibe. Alkaline has shown us say, yo, him now have to sing no regular lyrics where everybody has say, where everybody has say. To boss a song. The man sang a big song. Number 1.2 major and the most trending on YouTube right now. And the songs will reach a mil. I know this again. This one Alkaline drop a song. Every blogger from all walks of life a blog this song. Even when them blog this song, them are going to say a fuckery. It doesn't matter. Some say a good song, some are going to say a fuckery. It doesn't matter. A blog in there about.
Yo, you see nowadays, you see the music business where the artists them are sing nowadays, you know, viewers and subscribers. A be a garbage them are singing, you know. Some of the music them where the artists them are sing, them not even last a year good to blow. Wow. Because what? No farmer good penship pensive skill no, in a them writing ability, viewers and subscribers. So what? Them sing some garbage we at now and then couple months or a year later, nobody no remember them. So Alkaline is one of the artists them in the space of dancehall. We really and truly to this day, from then till now, still a write good music, still a showcase good, great, pensive game, pensive skill, viewers and subscribers. It is why most people can connect with Alkaline music. And when them go to a party them and them hear the lyrics, them can resonate and vibe to it on a different level. Because as I'm saying in a vlog, you know, people listens to Alkaline lyrics word for word. Them not just hear the song for the beat and for the vibe, but where the message or what the song I say, which is why enough of them songs them, when you go back, go listen to them, the whole songs them come like fine wine. Because them are age the right way, like fine wine, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, enough youth I go get it too late. I don't know if enough youth in the space of dancehall I go can write like a Alkaline or how him compose lyrics. But viewers and subscribers, Alkaline are one of the best songwriter them in the dancehall right now with him pensive skills. The man are just a rhyme. The man lyrics them a make sense, and him composition, all of them, the metaphor, the ad-libs, the wordplay, everything connect. So enough people are going to vibe to it, viewers and subscribers. And also, melody is a thing when we know and realize that it carry music to the far length to make it last longer in a space of whatever genre it in. So melody, I want to key things them in a genre, you know. Whether dancehall, hip-hop, rap, melody are key thing. So enough artists are sing songs but it not a melody. And the people not remember them years to come. Because when you can just randomly in your subconscious have a melody of a song, just a flow so with a song where don't have the melody, it not go flow so easy. Because the thing will catch people subconscious a melody. Once you hear a song, it's like a melody just come across your mind. And you just can sing the song on the top of your brain. No emotion, no emotion. Designer from head to toe, from rich till me now van for cone pan. Act like when time you show bam. No emotion. You see how easy viewers and subscribers, even a look 4 or 5 year old can catch that style there, that flow there, the song, because the melody connect and it's so easy on the ears. That is it.
Alright, people. Yo, we there with
Clarity.
Alright, Clarity, yo. So give me your unpopular opinion.
What I say? Can be both football or anything?
Yeah, definitely can be both. Football, dancehall, anything.
Alright, middle music, so I stick to dancehall. Alkaline are the king for dancehall.
Better than Cartel?
No, I go say who better than who, you know. It's just my opinion, say Alkaline better. They're both great. The same about Alkaline, I'm my best. Feel it, especially for this new generation. That's a Cartel like king of film. Yeah. But now in a full generation, Alkaline.
Yeah, I remember what type of song you feel like, we don't even want to say what type of song, but what the song them you feel like really put him on the map, put him up there.
Extra lesson. After all.
Yeah, man.
Is it on the album too?
About Spoil.
Yeah, I mean, Spoil one on top song them, yeah.
You say it, and
but you really put him on the map, what I say, extra lesson after all.
So time and time again, me see youths are declare Alkaline to be the king of the dancehall space. Even though we know that Alkaline don't want that title in the dancehall space. Him just want to be great. But many people have it to say that them give Alkaline the king position in a dancehall of this year generation. Well, we know everybody are going to have them opinion on who them think of the dancehalls king of whatever generation. But enough youths I say, yo, because of how Alkaline do music, and we know Alkaline music over the years has stand the test of time. To this day, him all songs them still I make him a dominate the space. Still I make him carrying millions of stream on Spotify and also on YouTube viewers and subscribers. So that brother here say, yo, in a few eyes, Alkaline MC as the king of dancehall. And me remember when me did see Gage on one interview also said that Alkaline him would have give the king title. But here is the thing, viewers and subscribers. You see like how Massacre a gun off of the king, same as the king of dancehall or the goat, make him keep that. But many people want to see that challenge with Alkaline and Massacre, which is why that will only be the showdown for the generation, for the clash of the generation. Because as I said earlier, Popcaan did get that little moment there with him and Alkaline when Massacre was a nobody. And now Massacre forward in a space and make him name in a dancehall space. I gather him look a fan base. And him a go on good, even though we always beat him because of the things them when him say all time mouth, viewers and subscribers. But as I said, enough people are declare Alkaline to be the king, enough people are declare Massacre to be the king. So yeah, it looks like the generation has already shifted. Vibes Cartel time has up a long time. From him come out of prison time up. And ever since him turned 50, make it even worse. So the newer generation I look to Alkaline and Massacre as the newer artists them for take on that title, for fight for that title and be the titans of this generation, viewers and subscribers. But uno make me know what you think in the comment section if you think say Alkaline should have been the king of dancehall a long time ago, or Alkaline should have gone for the king of dancehall, but me know say Alkaline nah go a gun for that. Alkaline just want to be great people. But when you know what you think in the comment section, leave on the thoughts in the comments, you know it going on. Our vibes and insight, with another episode and another vlog. Catching up on another vlog. Peace. I'm out. Mad.